When you're white, you don't know what it's like to be living in a ghetto. You don't know what it's like to be poor.
When you walk into a bank, you will get a loan more easily if you are a white guy.
It's like you're at the 50-meter mark in a 100-meter dash, and you got that kind of a lead. Yes, because you were born white.
Here's what it looked like along Waverly Lane in North Fort Worth early Thursday morning. Cell phone video and pictures taken of the area show the signs reading, "It's okay to be white," posted onto lampposts and other pieces of public property. District 4 Councilman Kerry Moon isn't taking it lightly.
I condemn any type of literature sign that is posted that may be offensive to some folks.
Well, the councilman said this kind of activity is considered a Class C misdemeanor, and those responsible could face a citation. He also said instead of ripping the signs down, neighbors should call police immediately and leave those signs up since they are considered to be evidence, and then just let the police investigate the situation.
It's concerning, at the least.
They're wondering why.
I'm really Trump's demographic.
Yeah. You're a Michigan angry white guy.
I'm an angry white guy over 50 with a high school education.
We have to stop demonizing people and realize the biggest terror threat in this country is white men, most of them radicalized right up to the right. And we have to start doing something about them. There is no travel ban on them. There is no white guy ban. So what do we do about that?
So if I could just speak to my fellow angry white American guys who are semi-uneducated like me, dudes, give it up. We've been running the show for 10,000 years.
America was never great for anyone who wasn't a white guy.
What do you say to the people who dragged a poor white guy out of a car and beat him?
Oh my goodness, poor white people, please, oh my, stop.
I'ma stop.
Don't hurt
Yeah,
me.
brother.
Just go.
Yeah, you little white little fucker.
Really?
Yeah. You're a fucking little whitey, aren't you?
It's okay to be white is now a hate crime. Okay, so what's the correct position? That it's not okay to be white?
Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Tucker Carlson is a white supremacist. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yes, I am.
Take your privilege somewhere else, please.
You're fucking a white male! The good old white days are over with. Ain't no more of them days, bro. Fuck you white people. Fuck you. You think you're better than us?